Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Chronicles. Today I've got something really exciting to share with you. WEEX Exchange is running a 0G new user airdrop campaign with up to 50,000 USDT in rewards available. This is a limited time event, and in this video I'll walk you through all the details step by step. I'll also show you the event page on screen so you can clearly see how to participate. Make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll also give you a quick introduction to WEEX, the platform behind this campaign. The campaign runs from September 22, 2025, at 1200 UTC plus 2 until September 29, 2025, at 12 UTC plus 2. The first opportunity is the first deposit and trade task. To take part, you need to deposit at least 100 USDT and complete your very first spot trade in 0G. By doing this, you'll receive 10 USDT from a prize pool of 10,000 USDT, which is limited to the first 1,000 participants. Completing this first step is very important because it unlocks access to all the other rewards. The second task is the futures trading volume task. In this event, you can trade any futures pairs during the campaign. The more you trade, the higher the rewards. For example, trading 500 USDT earns you 5 USDT plus a 5 USDT futures bonus. If you reach 5,000 USDT, you unlock 10 USDT plus a 5 USDT futures bonus, and at 10,000 USDT, the reward increases to 20 USDT plus a 10 USDT futures bonus. This event has a 20,000 USDT prize pool and is limited to the first 1,000 eligible users. Keep in mind, only those who have completed Event 1 can join. Next, we have the total futures trading volume task. Users who reach a trading volume of 20,000 USDT will share a prize pool of 20,000 USDT, distributed proportionally based on their trading volume. To qualify for this, you must first complete Event 1 and Event 2. Finally, there's the referral task. If you invite friends to join during the event and they complete both Event 1 and Event 2, you'll earn 10 USDT per valid referral. The maximum you can earn through this task is 1,000 USDT. Now that you have a clear overview of the campaign, let's take a moment to talk about WEEX Exchange, the platform hosting this event. Founded in 2018, WEEX is a global crypto derivatives exchange that has built its reputation on security, transparency, and user-first design. It operates under multiple financial regulatory licenses, including in the United States, Canada, and Lithuania. To further protect its users, WEEX has established a 1,000 BTC security fund designed to act as a safeguard against unexpected risks. From a trading perspective, WEEX is known for its ultra-low latency system and deep liquidity, which together provide a smooth and reliable experience for both retail investors and professional traders. Today, the exchange serves millions of users worldwide, with strong communities across Asia, Europe, and the Americas. So, when you participate in this 0G campaign, you're not just joining a one-time event, you're also getting started with a platform designed for long-term growth, trust, and security. That's the full breakdown of the 0G new user airdrop campaign on WEEX. If you're interested in joining, you'll find the event link pinned in the comments section of this video. Before we wrap up, I want to highlight that this video is for informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always make sure you do your own research before making any investment or trading decisions. Thanks for watching Crypto Chronicles, and I'll see you in the next one.